Good morning, student. Welcome to Sheba online class. I am very happy to see second session. Okay. Last class we are studying derived quantity, fundamental quantity, and fundamental quantity of the units. Okay. These topics are last class we are studied. Now we are going to larger units and then smaller units. Okay. Larger units and smaller units. So larger units mean is a kilometer, and then AU means a astronomical unit, and then LY light year, next PZ parsec. These are all the larger unit. So the larger unit in a express the meter. Understand? How can express the meter? First of all, kilometer. In meter, we can express on 10 power of 3 meter. Understand? Kilometer is expressed on the 10 power of 3 meter. Next, AU means astronomical unit. Last class we are studying AU. AU means astronomical unit 1 by 496 into 10 power of 11 meter. Okay. Once again, astronomical unit 1 by 496 into 10 power of 11 meter. Next, LY. What is the meaning of LY? Light year. Light year. This is the in meters. How is converted to the meter? 9.46 into 10 power of 15 meter. Okay. Next, PC. PC means parsec. Parsec unit is a, how is expressing the meter? 3.08 into 10 power of 10 meter. It's clear. So these are called the larger unit. Understand? Next, smaller unit. There are two types of unit. One is larger and then another one is a smaller. Okay. Next, smaller unit. F. F means Fermi. Fermi plus equal to 10 minus 15 power. 10 minus 15 power of 15. So the 15 after 10 or minus after and before you will put in the sign mark is minus 15. Okay. Next, nanometer. Nanometer, angstroms meters, 10 power of minus 10 meter. Next, nm. What is the nm? Nanometer. nm means nanometer, 10 minus 9 meters. These are all what? In meters expressing of the point. Okay, ma? mm. Mm is short form. Mm means a millimeter. Mm means millimeter. So millimeter is converted to 10 power of minus 3 meter. Okay. Next cm. Cm means centimeter. Okay, that is a short form. Short form method of the is a name millimeter, centimeter, nanometer, Fermi, A plus and the angstroms. These are all the short form of the smaller unit. Okay, then 10 power of minus 2 meters. It's clear. So two types of unit, larger unit and smaller unit. So the divided and the expressed of the meters at the how can expressing the meters. Okay. Next, time. What's the time? The time is the unit of the seconds. The seconds means time. The time, the SI unit of second. Okay. Is how is the measuring? Time is measured in seconds only measured. So 1 millennium, important one. 1 millennium equal to 3.16 into 10 power of 6 second. 1 millennium is a measuring 3.16 into 10 power of 6 second. It's clear? Okay. Next, what is temperature? Temperature already you are studying the lower class. Temperature and time, mass, length, breadth or and etc. etc. You are studying the previous classes 6th to 8th standard you will be studied. Okay, next temperature is the measuring the hottest or coldest of the body, is a measuring the hottest or coldest of the body. So this unit is temperature. How is the measuring? Kelvin, this is marked the Kelvin. So time, seconds, the SI unit of time is second. Clear? Understand, the SI unit of, one more question, the SI unit of time is dash of seconds. Okay, 1 millennium equal to what? 3.16 into 10 power of 6 second. It's clear? Are you good to understand, student? Okay, temperature. So temperature is the measure of the hotter or coldest of the in our body. Okay, how is measuring the SI unit of temperature? Kelvin. Okay, next temperature, the triple point of the water is called, temperature is a triple point of water. What are they? Water vapor, pure water and melting the ice. Water vapor, pure water and melting the ice. Okay, it's clear. So once again I revise, larger unit and smaller unit. What's the time and the temperature? Time is the SI unit of the seconds and 1 millennium equal to 3.616 into 10 power of 6 second. It's clear? Next, the rules and conversion for writing the SI unit. How could use the symbols? So many scientists discovered the name of the scientist is a letters. Many scientists, the unit named after scientists are the not written the capital letters. Okay, not written the capital letters. So using only the small letter. You don't write the capital letters, just you can, the scientific name written the capital only for the Newton. For example, Newton, Newton is a small letter. Then ampere, ampere is a small letter. Put in small letters only you can write. Next, the symbols of the unit. The symbols of the unit named after should be written the Newton. For example, capital letters Newton, N for Newton, small letter. Then H for Henry, so small letter. A for ampere, capital letter. Then W for white, double capital letters. Okay, next third one, listen. Small letters are used symbols for the derivative of the proper unit. Example, meter, kilograms and kilogram. For example, meters, letters is used in the small letters. M, small m. Kilogram means a K. Okay, so you write the short of the derivative proper nouns, you can write this letter. Next symbols we are using, so okay. Next symbols we are using the 50 m, 50 milligram, not written like that. Okay, 50 m, that's all. 50 meters, 50 meters, that only you can write. Okay, next symbols, 10 kg as not the kgs. First of all, you are listening one, don't write the milligrams, kg forms, all are write in plural forms. Okay, is only for the expressed only symbols or unit expressing only the plural form of the kg form. So 10 kg, not kgs. 10 kgs. This is wrong. Okay, it's clear. Okay, next, the expressing the Celsius or degree mentioned. So, for example, 283 Kelvin, 283 Kelvin. So, that is Kelvin. 100 degrees C. So, that is the Celsius. Fahrenheit, that only mark it. Okay, Kelvin is not a degree mentioned. 283 and then write the 283 K, but not degree is mentioned. Okay, 100 degree C, Fahrenheit F. Okay, it's all right. Next, the number and should be expressed of the space. For example, 15 kilogram meter second square, that only correct answer. Okay, expressing the word, the meters are on the measuring. 50 kilogram meter square, this is not good. Okay, you are write the continue of the 15 kg meter second squares, that only you can write. So what are reading purpose? You are the rules and conversions of the writing SI unit of the scientific names, only for the unit of the symbols. How can use the symbols only for the, these are all methods. Okay, now we can accepted the symbol should be asked into the ampere is written as a not as the ampere. Okay, seconds not as the seconds. Ampere means ampere, not amp. Don't write this like, okay, just you can write only A. Okay, next is seconds. You see seconds, yes, just you can write only yes symbols only using for the yes, not second. Okay. Okay, so the number of unit is a short of the expressing by the space. Okay, number expressing for the space only, space and write the meter second squares. Okay, now we are going to problems. Find the areas of a square whose length is 70 centimeter. The area of the square length 70 centimeter. So how will find the area of the square? The side of square 70. The side of square 70 centimeter. So what is the area equal to side into side. This is a area formula, side into side. Upon 70 into 70 centimeter squared, 70 into 70. Okay, 0, 7 and then below 7, sorry, 1 minute, 70 into 70, 0, 0 7s are 7 and then 7 0 0, 7 7s are 14. Area equal to side into side. So this is a area formula. So length, how is the length? 70 centimeter. Okay, 70 centimeter. Apo listen, 70 into 70 equal to 0. 7 zeros are 0. Then 7 0 below the 0. 7 7s are 49. So 490 centimeter squared. It's clear. Okay, for listen another one time. Find the area of the square. Length is 70 meter. So the side of the square equal to 70 centimeter. Area equal to side into side. 70 into 70, 490 centimeter square. It's clear? Okay, next. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Find the rectangle. Find the perimeter of the rectangle, which is the length of the 15 and the breadth 12. 15 centimeter and the breadth is the 12 centimeter. Once again, find the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, of the length 15 centimeter length and 12 centimeter of the breadth. So length of the 15 centimeter of the breadth. So how is the perimeter? Is a final length of 15, breadth 12. So perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of the perimeter? 2 length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth. So 2 equal to length. What is the length? 15. and breadth 12. Okay, length 15 and breadth 12. Okay, 15 plus 12, 27. So 27 into 2 equal to 54. It's clear? Once again I explain. Listen student, once again I explain. Find the perimeter of the rectangle which has the length 15 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeters. So this is a rectangle. Length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter. Okay, how is find the perimeter? Perimeter measurement. How? Next, length 15, breadth 12. Okay, perimeter of rectangle equal to 2. This is a formula of the perimeter of rectangle is this only is a formula. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 length into breadth. So 2, 15 length and breadth 12. So 15 plus 12, 27 equal to 2 into 2 equal to 54 centimeter square. It's clear? Okay. Next, if 15 nanometers of the force is applied on the area of the 25 square meter. Understand? If the 15 nanometer of the force is applied to the area of the 25 square meter. Okay, then what will be pressure applied of the area? What will the pressure applied of the area? Force 15N force is applied. Area 25 square meter. So pressure equal to F by area. This is a formula. P equal to F by area formula. Then P equal to 50 nanometer by 25 square meter equal to what is the PNM of the pressure is here 50 by 25 nanometer. Okay, P equal to nanometer. P pressure nanometer. 50 by 25. It's clear? Once again, if 50 and force is applied of the area in the 25 square meter. Okay, next what will you pressure will be area. That only pressure is here. P equal to F by area. Okay, pressure equal to force by area. That is formula. Okay, P equal to 50 by 25 in the nanometers. Okay, next, fifth one, calculate the momentum of the object. Calculate the momentum of the object whose mass is the 30 kg and it is the velocity is the 4 meters seconds. 4 meters by second. Look here. Calculate the momentum of an object whose mass 30 kg. Okay, and it is a velocity 4 by meter by second square equal to momentum mass into velocity. So that is called the formula. Momentum formula equal to mass into velocity. So how many momentum is a 4 object or the 4 equal to momentum by 4 meter square. Momentum means 4. 4 momentum by 30 momentum equal to 120 kilogram meter seconds. It's clear? It's clear? Last, the momentum equal to mass into velocity. That is the formula of the momentums. So 4 momentum will be measured the 4 meter seconds. So 4 equal to momentum by 30 equal to 120 kilogram meter squared. Listen children. Next class we are going to vernier caliper. I explained that just only short definition of the vernier caliper. Okay. So the vernier caliper next time I will detail I will learn. The vernier caliper, how is the least count of the vernier caliper? It is the volume of the small main scale division by total number of vernier caliper. Listen carefully. Is a least count. least count of the momentum of the vernier caliper, least count of the instrument, least count of the instrument equal to volume of the one smallest unit of the scale division, small scale division and large scale division. Volume of the, listen, volume of the one smallest scale division, smallest scale division, smallest scale division and least count of the instrument is a basic of the volume of the smallest scale division divided by is a total number of vernier scale division. Total number of vernier scale division. Okay, so that only are measuring for the vernier caliper. Just I show the diagram only. Okay, this is a vernier caliper, is a inside upper jaw and lower jaw. This is a inside upper jaw and outside of the jaw. The center point of the object will be present. Next, main scale and vernier scale. Okay, look here. Next class we are studying the detail for the vernier caliper. Okay.